Very good morning, everyone. Hi, Satyashri. Good morning. Good morning, Fareen. Good morning, Asmat. Good morning, Minakshi. Good morning, Vaishali. Good morning, Sugandha. Hi, good morning, Madhu. Very good morning, Revati. Good morning, Sneha. Good morning, Kirti. Good morning, Darshan. Good morning, Sudhir. Very good morning, Kiran. It's great to see a lot of people joining in. Good morning, Shruti. So, how is Saturday morning for everyone? I am Mokshada and I am logged in from Bangalore, and the weather in Bangalore is quite pleasant. Good morning, Pravina. Good morning, Amit. How about all of you? Good morning, Priya. Good morning, Renu. Minakshi says it's cool. Yeah. Good morning, Sukanya. Great, it's good to see so many people joining in. So, why don't you guys just tell me where are you logged in from? Good morning, Lynn. Okay, Goswami is joining us from Ghaziabad. Great, welcome. Good morning, Kanika. Meenakshi has joined us from Bangalore. Awesome. Wow, Vaishali is joining us from South Africa. That's great to know. Welcome, Vaishali. Great, guys. So, welcome everyone. Welcome to Reskill Nation's Heart to Heart Talk series. I am Mokshada and I am logged in from Bangalore. Let's give a couple of more minutes for more people to join. Okay, so Priya is joining us from Kochi. Welcome, Priya. Good morning, Vinay. Gitanjali has joined us from Ludhiana. Wow, great to see so many people joining from different cities and different parts of the world altogether. Good morning, Rinki. Great. Once again, I welcome everyone, and I hope that you and your loved ones are safe and healthy. So, before we start the heart to heart talk today, let me quickly introduce myself. So, as I said, I am Mokshada, originally from Ranchi, Jharkhand. I am the eldest in my family with two siblings, and both my parents are in teaching profession. So, I did my initial schooling and graduation from Ranchi itself, and thereafter did my MBA from Bhubaneswar, Orissa. Started my career in HR in Bangalore itself and have 10 plus years of experience in HR domain. So, I'm married to Rohit, who is having about 14 years of experience in telecom domain, and we are blessed with a beautiful, super energetic daughter, Namya. Today my topic is around being prepared and updated so that we do not have to settle down with compromises in life. In simple terms, if I have to say, it is about having a backup plan for ourselves, right? So, a lot of ladies would be able to relate to me here, when we go out somewhere, especially अगर साथ में बच्चे होते हैं, when we already have a backup plan, थोड़े कपड़े, थोड़ा खाना, थोड़ा all of these things. And when we travel somewhere, we have a backup plan. As a matter of fact, most of us also have life insurance for ourselves, right? What is that? That too is a backup plan. But how many times have we really thought about our financial backup plan? मतलब ज़्यादातर लोग क्या करते हैं? We depend on one income which comes from our job, or two incomes if husband and wife both are working, right? Meenakshi says yes, true. Goswami says correct, yes. I see that you're able to relate to me. So that's what even I also come from the same background, right? So we depend एक या दो source of income if you are married and both husband and wife are working. लेकिन उसका financial backup क्या है? A lot of times we don't really think about it. Nowadays, I see that people do think about it, but there's nothing feasible that people take an action on. So that's what I would actually want to talk about a little with respect to my own life's journey. Coming from a middle class family background, जहाँ पे पापा मम्मी दोनों ही सरकारी नौकरी में, both of them are teaching. They are in teaching profession, and I am the eldest one in my family. I actually got a chance to observe and learn quite closely from my parents' lives and lives of people around us. Okay, so what I observed is how life revolves around money. मतलब you earn and you make your life ends meet, and you go back to earning again because you have to still make your ends meet. So I love the money part of it, that both my parents worked hard, and the life that they provided us, the upbringing, the quality education, a lot of things that money brought for us in our lives. I totally love that. Beautiful memories of my childhood that I have, and I will always cherish them. But you know what? Being the eldest and growing, I also could see, especially my mother, sometimes wanting to quit and not wanting to go back to job. But every time she had to pick herself up and go back to job. A lot of times with regret, with frustration, couple of times even with tears in her eyes. So as I grew watching all of this, I wanted to have my financial independence. मतलब किसको नहीं चाहिए, right? So even I wanted, especially coming from family where my mom is working, I always wanted to have my own income. मतलब खुद job करना था. That's why I studied hard, right? But at the same time, I did not want to be in her place in most of the places when it comes to in terms of compromising and still going back to job when I didn't want to go, right? Back then I didn't know कि ऐसा कब होगा मेरे life में, but I knew कि it's life, हर किसी के साथ ये होना ही है, right? So that's where I chose to do MBA, okay? Because I realized कि that's what was happening. Society में तो यही होता है ना, अच्छे से पढ़ो, अच्छे marks लाओ, and get good marks and you'll get a good job and life is set. That's what we all know, right? So Bhagyashi says that's very true. Hemlata also says that's true. True, that's true. That's true for all of us coming from the background we come from. So that's where I chose to do my MBA, and I actually wanted to start my career in sales and build my career in sales. But you know what? Life has a plan in itself. And I didn't know that my first biggest challenge would come around the same time. So that's when I faced one of the biggest challenges of my life of having a health challenge, and I had to take a break. I could not continue, despite having the best placement from my college. I actually had to take a break and I was restricted to work, if at all, if I chose to. That was the condition. If I chose to work, I was restricted to work from within office premises. मतलब क्या है? मतलब I wanted to go out, work in sales, go in field, make money, but life had a plan, right? Life said नहीं जाना है बाहर, तुम ऑफिस के अंदर ही बैठ के काम कर सकते हो अगर करना है तो. Guess what? There are two options that everybody has. I chose the second option. I chose to start working even if it is inside office. And that's how my career in HR kick started. So as soon as I started my career in HR, I started learning, growing, and thoroughly enjoyed my 10 plus years of experience in HR. But then again, when I being in HR domain, I saw a lot of things very closely. I could see different insecurities that came with job, different kind of limitations that was there, and compromises that people had to make. I was one of them, right? So I could see all of this very, very closely, and I understood that this is not how I would want to live my life and climb this ladder, and this is not how I would want to see me in different positions at different points in time. So, again, another thing that I realized was, कि why do we work? Job क्यों करते हैं? पैसे के लिए. Some extent for girls, specifically for ladies, it is also to some extent to build our own identity, right? But then when I thought deeply, I realized ये job income से financial backup plan तो create नहीं हो रहा. Plus my own identity, it is only limited with my job title. अगर job title गया तो identity भी गया, right? So that's what hit me, and that's where my hunt to create an identity for myself and a good secure financial backup started. And my center of gravity at that point in time was about to change, and change big time, and change for better. So my hunt actually got me to this amazing platform that you all know as Reskill Nation. And here I understood that investing couple of hours on a daily or a weekly basis and learning certain high value skills can drastically have a positive impact in every area of our life. And so it did have an impact in every area of my life in a positive way, right? So, back then I did not really realize that investing this little time on a regular basis, I was actually creating a backup plan and getting prepared to embrace the future that was about to unfold on me. I'm still amazed, that I received, the learnings in such simple way, and the teachings through this platform are just magical. The way the learnings or the teachings or the modules are designed, it has enabled each one of us from all walks of our lives, right? It has the power to enable each one of us from all walks of life to become better and to learn those high value skills and, have that backup plan for themselves, a choice, an opportunity to have a backup plan for ourselves, right? Now, just for example, I've been telling high value skills. Let me just give you an example what I mean by that. Just for an example, me from being a no social media person And as I said, I started my career in HR. So, we back then it was like somebody is on FB and all. It's a waste of time. Even I was not there on FB. I didn't have an account on Instagram. I was not that active on LinkedIn. I didn't even know how to open an account on Instagram. So I learned these things, because of this platform, thanks to this platform, that I could very easily investing some time on a daily and weekly basis. I could learn social media skills, and today I use them effectively. Right now, well, let's move on in my life's journey. Fast forward 2019, and we all know what happened, right? What happened to the job market. Now, it's not a surprise what happened in the job market, because this has been happening once in a decade, every now and then, because some or other reason. But what was different this time was, this time even I got affected, right? I had not thought about it, but it just happened. I got affected, and I was humbly asked. Now listen to this very carefully. ध्यान से सुनिएगा आप लोग. It's very, funny. It's kind of, I was laughing actually. I was asked humbly to move on in couple of hours notice. Now, people who come from HR background or who have some experience know that we are the people who impose notice period on people. But me being the HR, I was asked to move on in couple of hours notice. I was actually laughing. And you know why I was laughing? It was very funny for me. But when this happened, I realized that this is how the future was supposed to be for me. It all actually fell in place. The picture was clear. Like a lot of others, I too had mixed feelings. But mine was that of excitement and relief, and a lot of gratitude, gratitude towards God, gratitude towards this beautiful platform, and the learnings I had from here. Learning these high value skills by around the same time had already enabled me to establish an identity outside my job with substantial financial backup. So here I was, losing my job, but not worried about packing my bags and going back home because of the cost of living in Bangalore, nor worried about losing my identity. That's when I truly understood the meaning of digging your well before you are thirsty. Because जब प्यास लगेगी तो कुआं नहीं खोद सकते, right? We can't dig the well when we are thirsty. It has to be dug when we are not thirsty. Without even realizing, I was actually doing that, and thank God I was doing that. The best part is, the same opportunity lies for each one of us from all walks of life. This platform provides an amazing chance to learn high value skills and find a new way to stand, to create our identity by simply enrolling for the courses and learning the skills that matter to stay ahead in life, right? That's kind of my story. So today it's been around 9 or 10 months that I'm a full-time mompreneur, and I'm thoroughly enjoying what I am doing. And every day I live with the feeling of gratitude towards this beautiful platform and all the learnings that I had. Right? It was great having all of you for today's talk. And this is basically what I had to share. With this, I am Mokshada signing off for today. Stay tuned for the next sessions on Reskill Nation Heart to Heart Talk. See you soon. Thank you so much.